Hey crafters, it's me, Jen Evers with Quality Crafts. Welcome to another 1 in 10 by Jen, from mailbox to masterpiece. And basically what that means is that if you are a subscriber and you want to send in your scraps, I will make you a personalized card in under 10 minutes using what you sent in. Now, if you watched this one, if you watched the last 117 of these popular series, I know, give me a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button and ding that bell so that you get notified of other videos that I release. I also do really fun videos every Friday. And our Wednesday and Friday videos are always 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. So Alicia Fowler has sent in her stuff this week. So exciting. All this really fun paper, and check out this little shark. She practically made the card for me. Look at this. Even this is all set up. I'm super stoked. Everything's matching. So exciting. You do not have to send matching stuff in. You can send in some gaudy whatever, this and whatever, and challenge me, and I will stamp my name on the back and send that card out back to you. So Alicia, this one's for you. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm using a regular A2 size card base, 5 1/4 or 5.5 by 4 1/4 this way this time. And I'm just going to go ahead and here we go. Just play around with these materials that she gave me and see what I can create out of this. Let's see. I think I'm going to put this busy one in the background. Now, I'm going to have to do a little bit of cutting here. And all the stuff that I don't use goes into a special bin that I have to save through the whole year, so that at the end of the year on New Year's Eve I can use the stuff that was left over and make other cards. This year on New Year's Eve I made cards for people that just chimed in and said, hey, I need help with masculine cards, or hey, I'd like to see what you do for birthday cards. And I just made a couple cards on the spot and I mailed it out to them. Maybe something we do next year at the end of this year, maybe not. I don't know. It just always depends on where your interests lie and what happens. But we do, so this year was the 3rd annual crop in the new year. It was 4 hours long from 8 to midnight. Super fun. Everyone loves it. We could just hang out and have our drinks and whatever else that we want and just enjoy time together. I'm going to go ahead and glue this one down, but I'm going to, I gotta sneak past my little guy here, whoopsies. Go ahead and rough up the back of this one. I don't usually do this pre-recorded, but as you guys are watching this, I'm probably waiting to get off my plane in Arizona to go to Creativation, so I'll be all excited and giddy to get off that plane and find Penny and get our rental car and get moving. Pretty exciting. I like this. Well, what if we were to make like the water? That would be fun. Let's see, we need 5 1/4 there, or 5.5 there. So we'll take some of that off. We're going to put a little bit on the inside too if I have the time in the room. But I gotta do some cutting here. I'm just trying to create like some waves here. I'm going to make them about the same size, so let's just slice this off quick. I'm just freehanding this, so who knows how it's going to turn out. Hopefully not too bad, right? Rolling waves. Oh boy, let's see how that went. Not too bad. Not too bad. Let's roll with it. Put that in there. I'm going to have to put my waves down. Ooh, those kind of pop up. I like that. They might maybe not pop up as nice after we ship it. I don't know. Maybe it'll get squashed down. We shall see. And then we've got the little guy here. That's going to be popping out. Popping out of the water. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? How cute is that? Oh. I should have put the orange on the inside to make him pop more. He's kind of drowning into the background. How can I freshen him up? I know, I have an idea. I'm gonna use my brush. And just, maybe just if I do the edges black, maybe that'll be enough to just make him pop. The shark is the cutest. Oh, so cute. I almost panicked because I wasn't watching the time. This is going to take me a few minutes to get around this guy. I'm not going to do the white parts though. I think I'm going to leave those as is. Just these gray ones. I swear nobody talks to me until I get into doing something. Oh, that pops him out. That little bit of black really pops him out. I am going to pop that him up though because golly gee, we want him to really stand out. So not his fins because those are going to be in the water, but his head and up. Fin, and maybe one more here. Hopefully that's enough. Make sure that I didn't get any of that. I think they're okay. This is so cute. So cute! Look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm going to let you put a sentiment on it. I'm not going to bother doing up a sentiment, but I am going to. Should we just use what was left over there, or does that look funny? Let's at least put a little bit of this in on the side. I think that'd be super cute. Four and a quarter, but I think I'm going to cut a little bit down. Maybe do it at 4 and a little bit. Let's see, will that fit? Oh yeah, that'll fit nicely. Ooh, we could even pop it on there so it matches the outside. Let's go ahead and do that. I wonder if you guys can hear my stomach. It is crazy loud. I don't know what upset it today, but it is not happy. It's gurgling to beat the band. I don't know if it was the barbecue sauce I had on my barbecue chicken pizza or what, man. I'm trying to do this over the garbage can this time because I ended up with those little orange little flaky doos all over my desk. So let's just clip this guy right there. So we got a little bit of matchy on the inside. That's cute. I'm not going to add the waves because I don't think we need that touch in there. But I could do some bubbles. I got a little bit of time left. I'm going to do some bubbles. Even though he's popping out of the water, I don't care. I'm going to do bubbles anyway. Cute little bubbles. And that is our card for Alicia Fowler. Thanks for sending in your stuff. How cute! Shark, baby shark, do 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 do. I know there's plenty of you guys out there going, don't sing it! Don't sing it! Oh, okay. These scraps I'm going to save for that pile for New Year's because that was a blast this past year. I super enjoyed that. I'm going to put the rest of this stuff away. So I got a lot of cute little paper left. Put my little dots away. Super fun. So Alicia, I hope you enjoyed this. I try to do all of these live instead of pre-recorded. I hope you'll forgive me just this once because I'm going to be in Creativation. I'm super excited. So I'm just going to sign off now here and just wish you guys a great week. Catch all the fun videos and stuff we're going to be sending to you from Creativation so that you can get excited as we get excited to see new stuff that's coming out and all that. And I cannot wait to see you guys next video.